To use your own custom pattern or create a new body in our system, navigate to the Bodies library and press New Body in the top right corner. From there, you can press Upload a Pattern. The ability to modify an existing pattern is coming soon. When you press Upload a new pattern, you'll see all of the inputs needed to create a new pattern in the system. First, you will give your pattern or body a name, and then select the base size of the pattern. You will give it a category and indicate the materials that you want to use for this body. If you decide down the line that there are additional materials that you want to use, you can always reach out and we can likely get those added. If there are any other materials that you might want to use for a combo piece, such as the drawstring of a short, you can indicate that here or leave this field blank. Same for the lining of the body. If the pattern you're uploading has a lining indicated, then you can indicate the materials that you want to use for that lining here. Next, you will upload all of your files. So to start, you'll upload your DXF pattern. Then you will add your grade rule, your tech pack, detailed photos of your physical sample, and finally, your cutter's must. Once you've uploaded all of your files and filled out all of the mandatory fields at the top, you will confirm that the pattern, tech pack, and other files provided are correct, production ready, and complete, as well as that the grade rules match the size range clearly, and that a physical sample has been made with this pattern. You'll select this box and press Submit, at which point the Upload Pattern tool will load and the system will intake all of your files. You'll get a notification that your body has been created and it is now available. So if I refresh my page, I'll be able to see that new body in my library. Keep in mind that that body is not always available to be used in a style right away. It lands in our development team's queue where it's reviewed to ensure that this body is something that we can actually execute in our factory. If there are any questions or missing inputs after you submit the form, our team will reach out and provide you with next steps. Shortly after you upload all of your inputs, you will be able to use the body in a style and choose your selected material, place your color, and order it to receive your first physical sample of your custom body. Next, we will go into depth on the second building block of a style, which is material.